Introducing the Crypterium AI, a self-learning algorithm, without all the unnecessary news. Let's take a look at how it works. First, click on the Market tab, then select Predictions. Here you'll see predictions for over 140 coins. These coins are updates every day at 0:13 Greenwich Mean Time with respect to Bitcoin. You can sort the list based off of prediction rate, which is the average rate within the past 30 days. You can also sort it by prediction strength, which is how confident our AI is about this prediction. We advise you to use predictions with a strength of at least 20%. Predictions with a strength of 50% or more are considered strong predictions and come true in most cases. There's also the option to sort the list by profit percentage for the previous day with respect to Bitcoin.
If you click on the 1 month tab here, you can see total average profits from predictions for the past month. You can see detailed information about profitability by clicking here. On this page you can also choose a specific date to check the profits with respect to Bitcoin. You can search for your favorite coin by clicking on the magnifying glass in the upper right corner. Now let's look up ZRX. This is what the main page for a coin looks like. You can see average profit and prediction accuracy rate for the past 30 days. Our AI has an overall accuracy rate of 85% for over 140 coins. Here you have the prediction strength. Under it is the best entry or exit AI predicted price. Our AI recommends you whether now is the best time to buy or if you should wait a bit longer to sell. This is a good time to exchange ZRX. Let's take a look at a different coin. How about ETH? Let's scroll down and take a look at what our AI thinks. The current price is higher than what the AI predicted, so its recommendation is for you to wait until it goes down. This is profit statistics. It shows your average daily profit if you followed our AI's predictions for the past 30 days. For example, the total average profit in Bitcoin for July 18th was 2.32%. This chart helps you determine how stable our system is at predicting a specific coin. This differs from coin to coin, that's why we recommend trading coins that have a daily profit of at least 3%. Now let's head to the History tab in the upper right corner. Here you can see coins by day. You have the entry price, the end of the day price, the strength and direction of the prediction, and whether it came true or not. You can check the history all the way back to last year. Now it's time for you to try AI price prediction for yourself.